a very challenging event, I would say, because you have to do all 4 strokes and you need to be constant in every strokes and practice all strokes. So yeah, it's a very challenging event, and I'm so happy that I won a medal in this event because no much people swim this event, and yeah.
So last year you also won the bronze. This year also, do you think that you have potential to go beyond one medal this time?
Yeah, actually I have 2 more events left. So
Which are those?
200 IM and 100 freestyle.
So that is the 200 IM you had bronze last time, right?
Yeah. So I'm planning to win medals over there too.
So for last time 400 was didn't bring you the medal. This time it brought it.
Yeah.
So what is the feeling now? That are you feeling really high and confident, or do you still think that you need to do better?
I still need to do better because obviously I'm not happy with bronze. But I am, yeah. It's like the hard work is paying off. But I'm happy for what I've done.
As you just won, Sanjana, alongside you also won the bronze. What kind of feeling you get when your fellow teammate or a state mate win a medal?
I'm happy for her too because then she's been training very hard and it's like hard work is paying off, and since we are like the only few swimmers of Goa and we all are getting this medal, so I'm really happy that I'm getting this.
And how do you see that national games have been held in Goa and you win medal inside the state only in this competition?
I'm very happy because a lot of people have expectations from us, and we've given the medals for them, so yeah, it's really happy.
You go outside Bangalore, you are training there. That the process we are talking about.
So morning, actually, first of all, shifting from your hometown to going outside, practicing otherwise, getting tasks. So morning classes are basically gyms and alternating. So it's like a lot of hard work, but like finally it pays off for the competition. So like it's all worth it.
So how many